Alright guys, so welcome back. And this is a follow-up from the last episode. We're just gonna make more improvements, but this time more important ones and just more. Okay, so let's start. I'm just gonna start with one information. So I don't know, like 15 tutorials ago, maybe less, maybe more, we did a ragdoll thing, and if you haven't updated it in a while, changed it, I suggest doing that because I heavily changed it in the last time. This is why I suggest just taking the new module, just looking at it, changing it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that because okay, I can delete this. Yeah, I've added some new settings, fixed bugs, made it better in general, just stuff like this. So now, because you can also just do you can delete the old stuff, but here you can just say in the NPCs folder you can just set your workspace.npcs, and you can turn this to false. And yeah, with you, well, this just enables the rector for every NPC in here. I also explained it after here, so everything is nicely explained. You can just look through it yourself, and yeah. The second thing is the raycast thing. Yeah, it just isn't that great because when we, I'm just gonna showcase it like this, when we have two dummies directly behind each other, like this, we are only going to hit the first one. And that's kind of a problem. Because, well, we still want to hit all of them. Dummies. But not hit through walls. This is a pretty simple fix. Let's just open our helpful module. And instead of just passing the character and the enemy character, we're gonna pass both of our folders through. So it ignores every child of the NPC and our character folder. Let's just do workspace.characters and workspace.npcs. And that should fix it. Yep. Good, that's one thing fixed. Okay, now we still have one bug with our blocking, and that's just that if you, someone let me have this, if you hold blocking, do not go, and you can basically just block again. Because our debounce is already off here again. And yeah, I have a fix for that, because that's really important. Let's just make some new, let's make a new value here, and that is blocking. Let's set that to false, and you can also just define the cooldown up here. Cooldown equals to 1 for me. And now what we will do is basically just set we can remove this, set is blocking to true here, and then down here we can set is blocking to false. Then we can set it to true. Then wait our wait our cooldown. Wait cooldown. And then we can just set the debounce to false afterwards. And then you can set here if is typing or debounce or is blocking. Then we will turn end, and for the input ended we will do and is blocking and not debounce. Alright, and here we can also add is blocking. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay, I guess we can. Yeah. That should fix this now. So now if we hold as long as our debounce, and then we can't just instantly hold again. Good. That was definitely something important to fix. Okay. Then I want to make another improvement, and that is that we can just hold down our left mouse button to attack, because someone wanted that. So I'm making it. Yeah. So we can just open our combo client, and then we can let's make a new thing up here. I'm gonna call it values or variables again. I think that's variables should be better than values, but it doesn't matter. We can do local attacking that equals to false, and this is what we are gonna need now. So what we can do is just make a new function, and that is local function start attacking. That's gonna be a loop, so, and we're gonna set attacking to true, and then we're gonna do while attacking, not float curve key, while attacking do, and if we would be stunned, then we want to break the loop. If character get attribute stunned, then break end. Then we can in here send fire, not send, the swing script thing, you know, and then we can actually like make a attack delay variable. It's gonna be for me 0.5 seconds, and that we're gonna wait here. Okay, so not that it just runs and runs and runs. Okay, and then we can just do, yeah, that isn't finished. We should do we can remove this and put start attacking here, and also do if input the mouse button one and not attacking, then we want to start attacking. Yeah, we can also check here for our character get attributes stunned. Equals to true, yeah, don't forget it. So here, and we set this before, and then we should obviously also do the user input service and input end function, or else we can not end it, which would be dumb or bad or whatever. So input ended connected function. Boom, boom. Also get a key here, and then if key dot, okay, we can just copy this. Boom, boom, and remove this. And now we can do attacking. Oops, let's change this to key, and then we can just do attacking, not float curve key again, but we can set attacking to false. Okay, now let's try this out. Let's see if we can hold it down. Yep, we can hold down our key. Okay, I think I should actually just make the attack delay a little bit lower. Yeah. You can change the attack delay depending on what you want. It should just be that you can attack, but not too low, because that we don't want the while true loop to run for no reason. I think 0.2 would be perfect for me. Yep. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Okay, the next thing, we can just stay in the game because we want to take something, because, well, you maybe know that there's a health script in your character, and I wanna modify that because the Roblox one just isn't that great. I'm not gonna change it that much because when I try to change it that much anyways, it's gonna break for some reason. But we're just gonna give it some small improvements. So you can just copy this from your character and then paste it into your starter character scripts. If you keep the same name, it will replace the old one. Alright, so in here, you can first of all remove this. I also don't like the region rate that they have here. I don't know why they did that. I'm just gonna change this to region amount. And we can move those comments too. But we can keep the region step and then just change this to one number, not divided by 100. I don't like this, I think it's kinda unnecessary. But then we can also go down here, let's change this all, and just do a, just put password region step here, or you can put it behind this one. So here if you want, but that's depending on you, if you want to wait first and then heal, or heal and then wait. Doesn't really make that much of a difference, but yeah. Now we can change here, human.health equals to not plus human.health does not plus not dh but plus regen amount. And yeah, this was already everything for the health script. Let's check if it still works, if you can still get damage and stuff and heal. Let's just take half my health away. And yep, you're still healing. Okay, that's good. And 1 health every second. Once, one, yeah. Okay. I just want to change this. I like this more than the basic Roblox one. Okay. Now, that was a thing that I never actually saw, but no one else mentioned it. But I just saw it out of random, like that when you change weapons, you have this idle weapon world here, and if you change weapon, it's just gonna get more and more because we don't delete the old one, and that's kind of a problem, I guess. So let's open weapon server, or weapon server script, and scroll down here. And before we create a new weapon, let's just do it if else player. So if we already have a world, then we wanna destroy this world. Boom. Okay. Yep, this was this fix already. Don't have to check it. I know it works. Then another thing was, I just noticed it. Sorry. I just noticed this was with a weapon I made in my test place because this was a really slow weapon, and for some reason the last hit wouldn't really trigger the cooldown. I really have no idea why, but just out of safety, you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do this. In your combat server, I'm gonna add, or I'm gonna make sure that attacking is really still true here. That is why I'm just gonna add characters that treat attacking true here at the hit end event. Yeah, and one thing I'm gonna do too is add a swing, a last swing reset for every weapon, because, well, why not? Why not? Because I want to, yeah, make let my slow weapons even have a longer, what do you call it? I don't know. Yeah, but they should be punished more, I guess, if you don't finish a combo. So I'm gonna do for every weapon and now a new variable in their weapon stats. So last swing reset. For the fist it's gonna be just 1.1. I'm gonna put, oops, for my rapier it's gonna be 1.2. For my mace 1.5. 1.4 maybe. For my sword 1.42, then this 1.3 I guess. And yeah. And now we can use it in here. Let's just do local last swing reset, and that equals to last swing reset. And then we can put this here. Alright. So now your weapons will have a different last swing debounce. Okay. And this should be everything already. Like the last few improvements that I definitely wanted to do. This should hopefully fix some stuff, make some stuff better. And yeah. Next episode is maybe, just maybe, the starting of the ability stuff. I still need to do everything for it. I didn't prepare anything yet. I still have to look like how I'm gonna do it the best. Maybe you have any ideas in the comments, like do I want different abilities for every weapon? Do I want abilities in general? Yeah, I didn't really think of that yet, but maybe you have ideas, maybe you can help me with that. But anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Hope you have a great day, and see ya. Bye bye.